Making restoration finance more inclusive isn't just the right thing to do, it is also a smart investment. When women, indigenous peoples, and marginalized groups have real access to resources, decision making, and economic opportunities, restoration efforts are more innovative, equitable, and sustainable. But inclusive finance alone isn't enough. Lasting impacts require coordination across sectors, scales, and communities. That's where partnerships come in. By forging strong alliances from grassroots cooperatives to international coalitions, restoration programs can amplify their reach, pool resources, and align efforts with national or global goals. Partnerships also offer a powerful way to embed gender principles into implementation, ensuring diverse voices are not just heard but led. In the next task, you will explore how to build partnerships that strengthen your restoration strategy, unlock new financing opportunities, and scale inclusive, nature positive outcomes.